Yes, be ready. Start. I would like to utilize this occasion to tell you and the nation what my government will do in the next 3 months. Stop. All of us are legitimately concerned about the prolonged downturn in the economy. Stop. Industry, especially, is looking to the government to take necessary steps to kick start the economy. Stop. There is no doubt dictated by the objective of faster economic growth. Stop. But it is also necessitated by my own government's stated goal of creating at least 10 million new jobs each year in the economy. Stop. We shall soon announce a series of schemes to mobilize investable funds from ideal resources existing in the country but unavailable to the exchequer. Stop. In consultation with trade and industry, we will take all necessary steps to reduce the currently untenable level of NPA as of banks and financial institutions. Stop. We will also devise machinery for resolving disputes between the revenue departments and trade and industry to speedily obtain for the government what is legitimately the state's. Stop. Also, suitable policy measures will be taken to tap new and unconventional sources of funding such as debt market instruments, pension and insurance funds for infrastructure projects. Stop. Stanza. The government is committed to broaden, deepen, and speed up the process of internal liberalization. Stop. In the case of globalization, we will adopt a carefully calibrated approach for reasons most of you appreciate. Stop. The government will play the role less and less of an active player in the economy and more of a legislator, facilitator, and regulator. Stop. Where necessary, it will be the protector of India's commerce and industry. Stop. My government's relationship with industry will be based on trust, not marred by mistrust. I come from a political tradition that does not look upon commerce and industry with suspicion. Stop. When it was conventional political expediency to decry entrepreneurship, we championed their cause. Stop. As a government, we will do more. Stop. As a concrete proof of this approach, we will soon appoint a commission to comprehensively review in a short time frame all the administrative laws, rules, and regulations governing industry and trade. Stop. Such of them which have outlived their utility will be either totally scrapped or radically simplified. Stop. With this move, we aim to enable Indian entrepreneurs, small, medium, or big, to create more wealth for themselves and the nation. Stop. The Companies Act will be drastically overhauled stop. The Foreign Exchange Regulation Act will be replaced with a legislation consistent with the current needs. Stop. We will ensure that crucial government orders are not passed without first ascertaining their consequences on domestic industry. Stop. Many of the problems faced by industry are at the state and local levels. As such, now stop over.